Hello guys, welcome all of you. Today we will see next part of logic gates. So first one is NOT gate. It is a basic gate which complements the input signal value. It is also called as an inverter. It is a logic gate with only one input and one output. See the logic symbol. It has one input and the one output. But in NOT gate we use a bubble here. Bubble represents complement of the input. See the symbol. This is NOT gate. A represents the input. This bubble represents complement of the input. Here comes A bar. So we can get at the output Y is equals to A bar. That is, we can say that our input is inverted. So this is our Boolean expression. This is our Boolean expression. Then see the truth table. Here A is our input and we can get Y as the output equals to A bar. So if we apply 0 to the input, we can get the complemented input. Therefore we can get here 1. If we apply 1 to the input, we can get the 0, that is complemented input. Then see the next part. Next gate is NAND gate. NAND gate is a universal gate which performs complement of AND logic. NAND gate has 2 or more input but only one output. The output is high only when any of the input is low. So see the logic symbol of NAND gate. First we can draw the AND gate. This is AND gate, and simply here bubble is present. So this is NAND gate. So here A and B are the inputs and Y is our output. So simply firstly we can do the AND operation. Here AND operation, that is AND gate is present, and then we do complement. So take the complement of output of AND gate and then we can get the output of NAND gate. So here Boolean expression is, firstly we do AND operation, A into B, and then get complement of this. So this is our Boolean expression of NAND gate. Then truth table of NAND gate is here A and B our inputs and Y is the output. So if we apply 0 and 0 to the both inputs, then we can put simply a and b values to this equation. Then we can put 0 here and 0 here. So 0 into 0, simply 0, and 0 bar. So 0 bar. So we can that is complement of 0 is 1. So we can get 1. Then apply 0 to the A and 1 to the B. Then we can get 1. That is 1 into 0, 0, and complement of 0 is 1. Then apply 1 to the A and 0 to the B. Then we can get also 1. Then apply 1 to the A and 1 to the B. Then we can get 1 into 1 is 1 and complement of 1 is 0. So that's why the output is high only when the any of the input is low. Here see, input is low. Then next is our NOR gate. So NOR gate is a universal gate which performs complement of OR logic. NOR gate has 2 or more inputs but only one output. The output is high if and only if all the inputs are low. See the logic symbol of NOR gate. Here also we perform first the OR operation. OR operation. Firstly here draw the OR gate and then simply complement it. That is bubble is present here. So this is A and B are inputs, Y is the output, and our expression, Boolean expression is Y equals to A plus B and whole bar. So this is our Boolean expression of NOR gate. Then see the truth table, A, B, and this is Y. So apply 0 and 0 to the both inputs. Then put the values in this equation, that is Boolean expression. So we can get 0 plus 0 equals to 0 and complement of 0 is 1. Then apply 0 to the A, 1 to the B. Then 0 plus 1 equals to 1 and complement of 1 is nothing but 0. Then apply 1 to the A and 0 to the B. Then complement, then expression, that is output of NOR gate, is nothing but 0. Then apply 1 to the A and 1 to the B. Then our output is 0. So that's why the output is high if and only if all the inputs are, see here, all the inputs are low. So this is our NOR gate.